Hi you guys, welcome to Sam's Beauty, where God's Beauty and Sam's Beauty are one of the same. And this video is going to be a part 3, so to speak. I'm going to show you what the palette looks like before I start doing my makeup. Beautiful, right? This is what it looks like. Without further ado, don't forget to subscribe to my video down below and click on the bell icon button to be notified whenever a video is posted. In the meantime, grab a snack, get your seat, get comfortable, and let's get into the video. Okay, you guys. All right, these are copper tones. I call it copper tones. It's beautiful. And as you can see, this color is kind of in my dress. I don't know, right? All right, so this is gold and they're all metallic. That's one of the things I mean, I like metallic, but when you have a small palette like that and you don't have, this is orange, like orange copper, and then you have the burgundy, and then you have this looks matte. This one is matte, the copper. I don't understand, like the one color in there is the brightest color, copper matte, and I'm like, there it is, doesn't have any sheen. And then you have the lighter color, which is like khaki, and that has metallic. I'm trying to figure it out, why? So I know I have to get another color as a transition for my crease. I don't understand. But in spite of that, I love it. They're very pigmented. Moisturizing my face, which I already did. And I use the Neutrogena Hydra Boost. Love this. It's like a burst of water in your face. All right. And I'm going to stick with most of the Wet n Wild products today, since I'm doing the palette. You know, just if you have it, why not? And I'm going to be doing the Wet n Wild photofocus face primer. Ugh. Okay, let's rub it in. That's it. Nice and moist face. Definitely a criteria for a good makeup foundation. Definitely. All right, and I'm going to start with my foundation first, which is the Wet n Wild photofocus foundation. And I always pat it on under my eyes. Most people don't, but I need that extra coverage. You know, when you're getting older and you know you have a lot of darkness on the eyes, I just feel more comfortable because I feel like, yeah, even though concealer is to conceal, but I just feel like every little bit helps. And if I can conceal a little bit, okay, that's all she wrote. My brows, and I'm taking it from the brow powder from Beauty Treats Ultimate Brow Kit. And so it looks like. I've been using it a lot. I love it. I use pencil sometimes, but sometimes it has like a waxy residue. I don't like it. So, like powder, it's a little bit more matte. And I'll just go up motion, follow it around, and I'm gonna use Wet n Wild Incognito concealer. My eyebrow is giving me problems today for some reason. For some reason. And from the palette, I'm going to start off with, what should I start off with? There's only one transition color and I want to use all of it. I'm going to use this, but I'm using it very lightly. Adventures anyway. Wow, that is bright. Put it on lights, just blending it in. It and in the crease. I'm gonna use, let me see, this color on the middle part. I'm trying to use all the colors, you guys, right here with my fingers. Wow, that's surreal. And now I am going to use this color and do right here. It's so pigmented. You know, it's more pigmented when I use my finger. It's kind of weird. And now I'm going to use my Wet n Wild HO proof Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner. I do like this both sides at the same time so I can even out. I'm going to use the Incognito from Wet n Wild under my eyes. Barely pat. The other side. All right, setting powder, which is Urban Decay Velvetizer, and I always put some of the Mercier after for some reason, because I don't know, this is not as brightening. The Mercier translucent powder. Powder, and this is from the Megaglo contouring powder from Wet n Wild. Tap, I like the tapping motion. Tap right here. Just make everything go around, and then I put on a little bit of LA Color blush. Tap it on a little bit. And I'm going to put some of the contour on my nose. And put on my eyeliner, LA Color eyelining pencil black. Okay. And line under my eyes. This color. Spray my face with the Pearl Essence Coconut Rose facial mist. Okay, and while I'm doing that, put some of the eyeliner, just a little bit right here. Another brush or applicator. And then I'm gonna use another color and just brighten it up. And this is the e.l.f. As I said, it's from the Alo from Wet n Wild. We're using, which one are we using? That color, I guess. So a little bit right here. going to use the, where is it? The Bold from Art Candy mascara. That's it. And just spruce up my hair a little bit. Put some moisture back in there. Okay. That's it in a nutshell. What do you guys think? Beautiful, right? Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I love it. My final thoughts on my color icon Wet n Wild copper palette. I love all of them. I have nothing bad to say. Minus, as I said, from all the other ones, they only have one matte color. They're all metallic, the rest of them. It's beautiful. Love it. So you guys, that is it on Sam's Beauty, where God's Beauty and Sam's Beauty are one of the same. And now it's time for Sam's Valley Corner. Today's scripture reading is taken from Psalms 5 verse 8. Lead me, O Lord, in your righteousness because of my enemies. Make your way straight before me. This is the word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. You guys, thanks for joining me again on another Sam's Beauty, where God's Beauty and Sam's Beauty are one of the same. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the bell icon button to be notified when a video is uploaded. Until next time, thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next one.
Okay.